Once upon a time, somewhere quite far away from here, Spidey and Batty were walking through the forest, when suddenly they heard a noise. As they ran towards the noise, they saw it was a monster sneezing fire, and it had set a tree alight. Spidey quickly threw a web over the monster to stop him sneezing again, and Batty rummaged through his pockets for something to help the sneezels. "I have an elastic band, a clothes peg, a piece of string, some seashells." "What?" shouted Spidey. "A band-aid? Anything useful?" "Yes, look, fisherman's friends. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, Batman." And when the mint went into the monster's mouth, the flames reduced. "Can I have some more of them?" the monster asked. "Of course," said the two friends, and gave the monster the packet. "Oh, thanks," said the monster. "Phew," said the friends, as Spidey then helped Batty to pack his special things back into his pocket.